is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. 'Twas the day before Christmas and Google's trying to save the world. Californians are saving thousands on new cars, and can someone save me a seat on Amsterdam's coolest new ride? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now here's the latest in all things mobility.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Any Californians looking to buy an EV as a super last-minute Christmas gift to themselves could score some money back from the government. Here's how. First, the basics. The state of California wants to keep its air clean, which is why it rewards folks who buy cars with reduced emissions. Clean vehicle rebates were launched in 2010, but the rules changed quickly, and they just changed again this month. For starters, does that new car of yours cost more than $60,000? No rebate for you! Is it a plug-in hybrid with less than 35 miles of all-electric range? No rebate for you! Standard rebates for fully electric vehicles have also dropped slightly by anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000. Low to moderate income buyers can get between $3,500 and $7,000 back. An interesting thing happens to the manufacturers too. Because they're incentivized to sell a total of 200,000 EVs, their incentives drop to zero as they sell more. Bottom line, you'll want to act soon if you want money back from your new EV purchase. As more and more people jump on the battery-powered bandwagon, the government will reduce incentives until, you guessed it, no rebate for you! When you think Amsterdam, you think solar-powered city cars, right? Well, maybe not. Personally, I think wooden shoes, which was Holland's first mobility solution. But now they have a new mobility solution. Squad Mobility is a mini electric vehicle that's a perfect fit in narrow city streets. Designed in Amsterdam, the Squad has solar panels mounted on the roof and a top speed of 28 miles per hour. If you run out of sun power, the Squad can also be plugged in for a recharge. The best part here is that the Squad carries a price tag of only $5,500, a reasonable price for a Christmas gift. That means you can zip around Amsterdam in electric ease while having plenty of money left for buying whatever people spend money on in Amsterdam.
Yeah, you know what they buy, right? Up top, yeah. up top, yeah.
What? You can Google just about everything nowadays. Is Captain Planet a real person? Are people physically attracted to Pokemon? How do I make Christmas cookies with only 3 eggs, a pint of half and half, and 63 packets of Splenda? And Google will provide, with real answers, whether you like them or not. Google is now providing a tool set that can turn any well-intentioned 16-year-old into a climate change denier's worst nightmare. The new app, Google Environmental Insights Explorer, allows people to research local weather patterns and conditions and gather emissions data from around the world. Really entertaining stuff. What's more is that users can submit data on energy usage and emissions that others can then use for their own research. The idea seems to be crowdsourcing a real solution to climate change. Put all the data in one place, give everyone access to it, and we've got to find the best solution. Sounds like Google realized that a business plan to take over the world falls apart if there's no world to take over. So, is Captain Planet real? He exists as certainly as love and generosity and devotion exist, and also in the millions of people around the world contributing to a crowdsourced data-driven database. So yes, Virginia, there is a Captain Planet. It doesn't take a lot to make the world a better place, and with the help of others, it gets a lot easier. And on that note, we wish everyone happy holidays. For more tech news, join us over at Ride.Tech, and be sure to follow RideTechNews on your social platform of choice. What's bags of sand? Kelly Clarkson! I'm a sloth in real life. Your mom's a middle story. Burn! I don't know. I feel like you should wear them constantly.
That's what I'm saying. Why do I?
Constantly, Josh. Slothy Christmas. I don't understand why it's not Merry Slothmas. Like, doesn't that kind of make more sense? I mean, I love it regardless, but Slothy Christmas. All right. No, you hit record. And I can't stop dancing. What? Is that a disease? Just rolling. That's what he said. What? That was a really good one.
This episode of Ride News Now is brought to you by the new Harman Spark. Upgrade your current ride with in-car Wi-Fi, virtual diagnostics, and so much more. To activate yours exclusively with AT&T, visit the link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to ride.tech for stories, reviews, and more news.